Hold up, is this a meet cute?
Oh my god! It's a pony. Go. Got new rings. What are we doing at 7 a.m. in the morning? I have a question. This is like really important because I have this Melly stuffed toy and it's so dirty already because I got this last year. I've not washed it ever since because I don't know how, and it's like super obvious now because my sheets are white and it's like a different color. Will you guys know if I can put this in the washing machine? Like, will it not break or something? Because I'm scared if I put it there, it's like going to disintegrate. Let me know if I can actually put this in the washing machine. Anyways, it's currently 7:09 a.m. right now. I woke up really early today. I don't know why. I've had my breakfast already. I had coffee. I fixed up the condo a little bit and then I also fixed my bed. So it's been quite a morning already. But since I have a lot of time, I'm thinking of dyeing my hair. Guys, look at it. It's so brassy already. This is the soft brown color from the same brand. I use the lace, I'm not sure actually. This time I'm using the soft greige color. I think my hair is around this shade, so it's gonna turn out just a little lighter and more cool tone. So hopefully it achieves that because I'm not loving this brassy hair. Basically what I do, well, we're just really going into it. I put the colorant into the developer very slowly. You're not supposed to shake it. You're supposed to just like tilt it a bit like this. Then you do that like until it's fully mixed. It also comes with a repair treatment and I love this. This makes my hair super soft after using this, which I feel like makes me think that this does not damage my hair, but it really does, guys. So use it not so often, not as often as I do at least. So I'm just wearing this black shirt that I don't mind getting stained, and I feel like because I'm wearing a black shirt now, you can see just how brassy my hair is. I think I'm gonna do this in the restroom though because my seats are white. Okay, wait, let me put on the gloves first. I remember the first time I used this, I forgot to put on the gloves and literally I had a date the same day and my nails were just so stained. So yeah, I had to put on fake nails just to salvage it. Do not forget to put on the gloves. I just squeeze it like this and then I put it on my hair. I am so obsessed with this like new song from what's it called? Anyone But You. It recently got released on Netflix and I was watching it yesterday. And the song, the unwritten song, it's just so cute. Also, I just used one box talaga. Like sometimes they're sobra pa nga, but my hair has grown quite a bit, so hopefully it's still enough this time. I think this is a better angle. Oh my god, it's on the walls. Just gonna shampoo it in like this. Why do my gloves look purple though? Like, look. Imagine if this is like a wrong stock and they actually send me like purple hair dye. I will literally cry. My eyes are getting red. Maybe I should open the door. I'm scared I actually will get suffocated here. I think I finished the bottle already. I'm just gonna let this sit on my hair for like 15 to 20 minutes. I'll catch you guys later when I wash it off already. What are we doing at 7 a.m. in the morning? Okay, so I'm just using the repair treatment that it comes with. Just hoping that it will kind of save the bit even though my hair is so damaged right now. I think my camera is gonna die in a bit though, so I'll catch you guys later. Oh my gosh, I'm already seeing how dark it is. This is how it turned out. I know it looks pretty dark right now. I think almost black on camera. With my experience kasi with these, parang it's super dark at first and then after a few washes, that's when like the real color appears. I'm not sure how to explain it. We're just gonna have to deal with this hair for now. It's actually been a few hours since I dyed my hair. I actually fell asleep while reading my book, so like the schedule for the day is a little messed up. We'll have to adjust it a bit, but yeah, I made my coffee already to wake myself up. I also got ready and yeah, we are gonna go to the grocery in a bit because I need to pick up a few things. I was watching my college vlogs and I saw that I was cooking like this tofu stir fry that I used to cook so much before. I'm currently like craving for it so badly, so so we're gonna get ingredients for that too. Yeah, you know, I should stop talking. I feel like I never run out of things to say when I'm talking to you guys. But like, I remember the last time that I went to school, we had this like mini testimonial ceremony or something. And like people were talking and I was just there like watching, and my friend noticed me because she was like, "You're getting overwhelmed now." And I'm like, yeah, I actually am getting overwhelmed. I don't know, I feel like I really am an introvert. Some people would not believe me when I say this because they think that I'm super out there. I can talk to people, which I really can if I force it. But like innately, I am an introvert. I am very calm and collected. Anyways, let's cut this video already. It's so long and I've just been yapping. I'll see you guys when I go to the grocery. Also, I got new rings. Oh my gosh, di na natapos. I got new rings from Cali and they're so cute. Hehe. Do you guys want the link? Wala namang nagtanong. I just got home. Ooh, I think I'm killing it. That is so pangit. Okay. He is actually so bored with her life. Okay, so this is how it turned out. It's a very subtle change, but you see it. You see what it's giving. I think it's gonna be more obvious when I tie my hair like this. Oh my god, it's so much thicker on this side. But that is the vision. You see it? You see the vision? Anyways, I have to actually film something else first, so I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Oh my gosh. I'm still not used to how I look on camera. My hair is so dark. But anyways, we are gonna be making tofu stir fry. It's actually a pretty simple dish. So all you need is tofu. I get the firm one. And then bell pepper and baguio beans. Oh, you're also gonna need some onions. I can feel it for you. Only you can let it in. Oh, nice. One-third of the tofu. The onions making me cry. I'm just going to be patting the tofu dry so it fries nicely. Oh, I don't think it's hot enough. Oopsie. So I just removed some of the oil and now I'm going to be adding the onions. I should have actually removed the tofu first. This is not good. I just put everything. I just put everything just so it cooks faster because I'm afraid the tofu will get overcooked. I'm also going to be adding a little chili flakes and I want it to be a little spicy. Not that spicy. My oysters though. Oh no, did I run out? Okay. I'm just gonna let that cook a bit more. Oh, okay. Bring chin, put something in the distance, so close you can almost take it. Release your inhibition, feel it in your skin. No one else can feel it for you, only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words of your lips. Drown yourself in words unspoken. Let your eyes open. Live your life with arms wide open. Say yes, where you're going again. The rest is still unwritten. Baka ma-copyright tayo. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I totally forgot we were cooking. I'll be adding oyster sauce. I think that's too much. This is turning a little more chaotic than how I'd like it to be. But yeah, I forgot to cook rice again. Once again. It's literally the thing that I hate washing the most because it's so hard to like remove the leftover rice. Not that I like washing anything. actually look up another song. I'm so tired of this song already. Oh, there's another song that I like. It's by a Korean soloist, but like, forgot her name. Baby, would you sit in ass waves in a bright long hair, baby, would you wanted to hold me? I think it's like that. I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh. Hey, we can finally eat. I also made my vitamin drink. I think it's called Baroka. It's in a green parang shoe bottle. What's that? Let us eat. I am so hungry. I used to cook this every day. I mean, the vlogs ko parang always my tofu stir fry. I've not had it in a while because like parang nasawa ako sa kanya. But now that I'm trying it again, it's actually so good. How do you guys like this angle instead? It's cute. I like it. I'm full.
Hand behind you, only even looking over as you reach your hands forward and fold. Floating table, downward facing dog, lift your hips up high. Open up your hip as wide as it'll go. Get a big side body stretch and twist. Turn belly. Cobra. Inhale.
I just finished my quick morning stretch. I was actually planning to do like a full routine today, but I woke up and my head was like pounding. Like I had the worst headache ever, and I don't know what happened because I was so okay yesterday. I had so much energy, but like this morning it just not giving. But I was able to drag myself out of bed, so it's still a win even though we just did like a short routine. Anyways, my hair is looking a little more brown. I think it's because the light is hitting it, but yeah, just wanted to remove the brassiness. And I think we were able to achieve the man. Oh my god, I look so haggard. I don't know what happened. Look at my eye bags. It's actually so bad. Actually still have to edit a video and upload it today, so it's probably what I'm gonna be working on this morning. For breakfast, I think I'm just gonna be having the leftover tofu from yesterday. And yeah, my gosh, my face, what happened? I don't know what to do.
Phone rings. She said to pick her up, but that's a bad call.